My name is Frank Dimitri, and I'm 74 years old.
So what are you doing here?
Oh, to sing.
675 and below?
Well, I've been singing most of my life, but I didn't really get into it until I was older in life. I tend to stutter, and so I didn't have the confidence to really pursue it.
All right, we're ready for you. Let's go.
Well, when I was 28, there was an ad in the paper about somebody wanting a bar back. I thought, why not me? I was a bartender for about 50 years, even though I always knew that I loved to sing. And that's, but, you know, so time takes care of everything.
Here we go. Go get them, Frank. Have fun.
My dream is to sing on stage. And hopefully the judges will like me.
Good evening,
Good evening.
and welcome to America's Got Talent.
What a thrill.
It is a thrill.
What a thrill to meet you.
Well, thank you. It's a
But
thrill to
really
meet you,
just
sir.
us, right? You
Well,
point
the ladies.
at the
I love
two
the
of us.
ladies.
You love the ladies.
Yeah.
Frankie, baby.
Are you single?
I'm single.
Oh. So's Heidi.
Heidi.
Heidi. Okay, and what is your name, young man?
My name is Frank Dimitri,
How old are you, sir?
74.
Wow.
Just a young guy.
Just a young guy. And what did you do for a living?
Well, I was a bartender
Right?
from the time I was 28, and I retired when I was 69.
Right? And what do you do now?
Well, I'm retired.
Right.
And I like to walk a lot, and I love to sing.
So you'll
I do
be
some
walking and singing for us this evening?
Absolutely.
Dazzle us, sir.
All right. I've got the world on a string, sitting on that rainbow. Got the string around my finger. What a world, what a life, I'm in love. I've got a song that I sing, I can make the rain go anytime I move my finger. Lucky me, can't you see I'm in love? Life's a beautiful thing now, as long as I hold that string. I'd be a silly so-and-so if I should ever let it go. I've got the world on a string, sitting on a rainbow. Got the string around my finger. What a world. Man, this is the life.
Yeah, Frank.
Hey, now, I'm in love. Thank you.
That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Okay. All right, Frank. One second. Frank, one question. Why did it take so long? You have just been discovered tonight. Is this something you tried to pursue when you were younger?
Well, I always wanted to be a singer, but I stutter a lot. It's an emotional thing, and there's times when I can just talk, and I won't stutter. And there's times when I get on the phone, and it's a struggle. And when I was a kid, I stuttered a lot. So I'd never had the confidence to really do it.
Well, I'll tell you something. Better late than never.
That's right. Thank you.
This is
You're
not
very
too
kind.
late. This is the right time. And it would be such a loss for the world if you never had done it. So this was a wonderful moment for us here at America's Got Talent.
You know what? I have to say to you, your voice is so smooth and so sexy. I mean, I think I'm probably a little bit in love with you. I think I am.
I really, really like you a lot. I think you're fantastic. And you seem very humble and very nice. I give you this. I give you my heart.
You did a great job up there. Honest to God, you are fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's vote. You know what they say, if you can make it here, you're going to make it everywhere. It's a yes from me.
It's a definite yes from me.
Heidi.
A yes for me.
Oh, and Howard.
Sinatra, Tony Bennett have nothing on you. It's a big yes.
For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself,